This one's called Chicken Runner. They just took Minecraft assets and made a racing game with chickens. There's something going on with the chickens, man. There's something I don't know. All these games are about animals and chickens. What would a medieval game be without chickens, he asks. What the hell is the deal with the chickens, man? Why is there so many? I don't know. I'm missing something. All right, he's just showing the chickens. I don't know. It'd probably be the same game. I like the chickens though, it's cool. 1428 Shadows of Silesia. Dark action adventure. I mean, it looks cool. 2 characters. There's stealth aspects to the game, like you sneak around. Yeah, it looks okay. Technically, it's impressive. Not the biggest fan of like the RuneScape art style. Large battles. If they want to sell this game, they should be showing stuff like this. More so than the chickens. I also kind of hate the chickens. There's something going on with chickens and animals this year, and I've missed the memo. So now I'm a little suspicious. There's something going on. Looks like you got a bunch of different cool weapon attacks. Quick, comment your favorite one below. Blind Fate Edo no Yami. Comes out this year. This game looks fire. This game looks so good. Mark it on your calendars. 2022. This is gonna be a hot indie game. This is gonna be really good. Dude, it's crazy what people are working on today. It reminds me a lot of Fury, but like the side-scrolling version. And Fury kicked ass, so this is gonna be really good. All right, this one's called Wizardom. And I guess the draw here is you have a level editor that you can immediately play into. Yeah, I mean, that's really cool. I love when games give you that flexibility. So it's like old school Doom style, 2D assets in 3D, first person shooter. I mean, they might just be showing off the level editor for this weekend, but I'm curious what like the game is. It's supposed to be like an action puzzle game? Huh. Hey, if retro games are your style, this looks really good. I don't know, I like it. Fucking chickens. All right, so in this one, this guy asked a question. He's gonna show 2 versions. He wants to know what we like better. So in this example, the art assets are always facing the camera straight on. And in this one, the images are perpendicular. I don't see a difference. Am I crazy? Oh, I see. Okay, so like in the first one, when you turn, it kind of looks like the images are flat. Like look at the grass, that's what I'm looking at. The grass doesn't seem to turn much, but in the second one, when he rotates, the grass seems to like swivel a little bit. Right, like the grass swivels a little bit when he turns. That's gotta be what he's talking about. In which case, I think I like the first one better. I don't want to notice the swiveling. Team Billboard, let's go. I got banana bread. This is called Snapcat. Oh, I think it's a little blurry because of Twitter again, sorry. Oh, you take pictures of your cat. That's so cute. This is an untapped market. People love these games, like Nintendogs and stuff. Those games always do better than I expect them to. This looks cool though. Whatever. Dogs are better, cats suck. Wow, this looks cool. Oh, that's it? I like these like 2D style games. Probably like a puzzle adventure or something like that. Well, that's all. They only showed like 4 seconds. Okay, it's called the Midnight Girl game. Takes place in France during the 60s. 2D point and click adventure. Yeah, these can be like fun games to play casually. I like the art a lot. And these are like actually great games for people to try and make, I think. I think that you learn a ton, especially in Unity. I tried to make like a prototype of one of these, and it was really eye-opening experience. Would recommend. Very interesting. This scene's very similar to what they've shown though, so I wonder how much of the game's actually done. But I'm glad they don't show too much. If it's gonna be an adventure game, you want to like experience it while you play. So, all right, very cool though. Coming out this year. And this one's called Little Gator Game, and you're skipping rocks. You play. You're a little alligator. Oh, so cute. All right, the environment's kind of nice. You got the wind going. It's like cell shaded. This could be fun for some people. I don't know who the demographic is. Is this like young kids or just people that like cute things? Both? Yeah, it's pretty much exactly what I thought it was gonna be. Yo, they're gonna beat his ass. I don't know. Not really the game for me, but maybe it'll be great. Who's to say? You never know. All right, what do we got here? Kind of reminds me of like Metroid Prime. Oh, a little janky movement. You're obviously like floating in space or something. First things first, the UI is really cluttered. Is that just me? Like, I know it's supposed to be like a HUD, you're wearing like a helmet or something. I just feel like there's a lot going on. Like, it's out of the way, so it's not like a huge deal, I guess, but it just kind of looks a little sloppy. Like, I respect what they're doing here, and I think it's coming together, but yeah, I don't know. It kind of looks a little sloppy, in my opinion. And the movement's a little janky. But this is called Outer Space Wargears, coming out February 22nd. Alright, old school turn-based JRPG. It looks just like Octopath Traveler. Sounds like it. Looks like it. But I guess what's cool is this is done by an indie team and not by Square Enix, one of the biggest game companies in the world. So, I mean, it looks really good. The art's great. It looks just what you would expect from like a Square game. And I don't think that's a problem. The art looks really impressive, and I like the animations and stuff, but yeah, it seems kind of simple. It's really hard. I love JRPGs. They're one of my favorite genres, but they're also kind of done to death. So, you gotta kind of stand out. Interesting, interesting. It's called Alterium Shift, and it comes out in December of this year. All right, something to look out for. If there's one thing I learned, it's this year is going to be filled with animal games. That was fun. I'm gonna finish eating my banana bread. Give me a comment down below to know which game was your favorite. And if you care about games and game development, then subscribe. I'll be doing this again next week. It was so good. See ya.